We are here in Kenya! Kenya, my first time in Kenya, chat. I'm excited for today. Let's lock in and let's turn up, bro.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, bro.
Woo. We are live in Kenya, baby.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Your name is Peter?
Your name is Peter?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah.
Welcome to Kenya.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome to Kenya, man.
Welcome.
Welcome to Kenya, chat. OMG. Wait, I got a question. What language do y'all speak in Kenya? Swahili? Can you teach me a word real quick? Bariako? Guariako? Guariako? Bariaka. Bariaka. Bariako. Bariaka. Barioko. Bari. Aboriako.
I don't know what it means.
Ain't you from Kenya?
I'm from Kenya.
Habariako.
Missouri.
Habariako. Zuri.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
We are good.
So you did understand what I was saying?
I think you're saying, how are you? And they're saying, good.
Zuri. So you Zuri. Zuri? Zuri? Aboriako. Zuri? Haboriako! 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 Zuri? Zuri? Bro, I just wanted to answer. Haboriako. Zuri? Haboriako. Thank you. Haboriako. Listen. Why they start running, bro? Habari. Where we going? Right here?